guys, it's Kelly. So I went out and bought a Colorpop. I shouldn't say I went out and bought, I ordered online a Colorpop palette. Colorpop is known for being high quality, but they are also a little pricey for my budget anyway. So they came up with a sale that it was 50% off. So I went ahead and bought a palette, and it comes with 24 colors that you get to choose. So I bought these and I just wanted to swatch them for you. I am wearing them today. I'm wearing a black, a silver, and then you know, a transition color underneath. So let me know if you guys would like to have a video on this look right here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and name them off for you and swatch them so that you know what they look like in case you ever wanna buy them, okay? I'll just take them out, I guess, one by one. All right, first up, we have Snake Eyes. I don't know if you can see that. It's a really, really pretty light pink, silvery color. Let me take my watch off. And I need more arm room. All right, so just gonna start right there. You see it? It's just a really pretty pink color. I can't wait to play with all of these. Next is Earthshine. It's even more rose of a color, and it's glittery. I wanted to get some more glitter colors because I don't have a lot of them. See, it's it ends up actually being lighter than the color previously. It's more of a pink and no brown hits to it like the other one. All right, next is Boxer. Boxer is a really pretty, it's almost like an orange brown. It's still got the shimmer to it. See that? Darker, still got quite a bit of glitter in it. I always wait for Colorpop to go on sale, and that's when I buy stuff. So I think it's at least twice a year. So just keep your eyes peeled for that. The next one is Pinky Promise. That is so pretty. I don't know if it shows up as pretty in the picture as this, but it is like a red pink. Can't wait to play with that one. Isn't that beautiful? Next is Tea Garden. This one is, it's almost like a brown blue, depending on how you shine the light on it. It's very iridescent, incandescent. You can see how all of these are, like, so far kind of neutral pink golds. They can go with a lot of different looks. Next one is Carrot Cake. And this is just a really fun gold color that I thought would be good with like our greens that we like doing. Oh, I hope that shows up on the light as well as it does here. That is beautiful. I picked up some really just fun colors too, such as Tiny Tangerines, though it's totally aqua. Tiny Tangerines, this is gonna be a really fun color. I'll put this over here. You can see, Hung Up, it's like a purple sparkly color. This doesn't have as much glitter as the other one. That's gonna be a lot of fun. That's purple. Purple and just a hint of the sparkle, not overpowering. This one, I love this one. Wishful Winking. This is like a teal and a brown and a shimmer all in one. It's like a combination of the two colors I just put side by side. You know how much fun that's gonna be blending? I love these. So excited. Paradiso is a really pretty, almost like a plum color. But on my arm, it's got very definite pink hues. Mr. Sandman. That is like a pink, very shimmery, almost with a hint of brown in it, color. That's very cool. So many fun things to play with. All right, I used this one today. It's called Night Dream, and it is a black, but it has got quite a bit of sparkle in it. I don't know if you can see that, but I used that today on my eyes. Down here. very easy to blend, very easy to just get it all cohesive. I really love the blending abilities of these. All right, Over It, which is a really fun, almost like a peach shimmer. We're gonna have to go onto the other arm here. I'm running out of space. See it? That's gonna be fun with oranges. You know, 24 colors. It's crazy, this deal. Play by Play, which is, I don't feel like that's more like a light gold, but it has something else in it, and I can't really tell what color that is. But it's a very pretty gold color, but not overpowering. On a Whimsy. And this is a really pretty color, Silver. I also am wearing that one on my eyes today. And it smooths onto your lid like a dream. Look at how smooth that was. Heavenly, which is, it's almost like an aqua glitter. Very similar to the silver, just a little more pigment in the blue category. Then you've got Beam Me Up, which is almost like a lavender silver glitter. Oh God, they're so small. And unwrapping them individually and then putting them in the palette, that was interesting. I didn't know they were gonna come all separate. That's how pretty that is, just a slight hint of lavender. Antimatter. It's like, God, depending on how you turn the light, it's like a teal, purple, shimmer. It's very multifaceted. Can't wait to play with that one. All right, we're coming down to the home stretch here, guys. We got some mattes. I did buy some mattes. Conjure Up, which is a really pretty dark green. That's gonna be really pretty with some of the glitter ones. I got a good old trusty black. It's called Let's Do It. Just a matte black, because everybody needs to have a black in their repertoire, their bag of tricks, because it goes with a lot of things. Labyrinth, which is just a really pretty rose matte. I did that underneath the blacks and grays just to warm it up a little bit. See, it's a really light, really nice transition color. I also used this underneath. It is called Take the Lead, and it's just a very light gray. Doesn't show up much. It's up towards the top if you can see it. It's kind of blended with the black now, but it's also a very pretty transition color because it's so sheer, but has just enough. Two more. Meteorite. This is like a fun orangey red color that I thought would be fun to play with. That's gonna be really nice. And then last but certainly not least, Cloud 9. So this is a very matte brown color. What I love about these Colorpops is that you can order like I said, each of these came completely separate in little packages, and then you added it to this, and it is magnetic. So if you got tired of the colors or you bought new colors, you can just pop them in here, replace them, whatever. So it's very handy. You don't have to buy like a whole new palette like you would with, like if I run out of my Jaclyn Hill or I run out of my James Charles, then I have to actually buy a new palette. Whereas here, I can just replace these, which is really nice too. But I love my old faves, but this is a new fun one that I'm gonna play with. So let me know if there's any particular colors in here that you would like me to use in a look, and we will try them out. But this is the first one. Let me know if you like this one and want me to do a tutorial on it, and we'll play with these later on this week. Until we meet again, have a wonderful, uniquely you day. Get out there, do things that you love, do things that make you happy, and I will see you soon. Bye.